A ghost on the moon, a new lander preparing to touch down, and a gremlin in the starship? Sounds crazy, right? But these aren't just random headlines. They're part of one of the most exciting space missions of our time. From groundbreaking lunar landings to unexpected technical challenges, today we're diving into a historic moment in space exploration. Stick around to the end, because you won't believe the twists and turns in this mission. After decades, a new American spacecraft has successfully landed on the moon. Meet Blue Ghost, a lunar lander built by Firefly Aerospace. It made history by carrying 10 scientific experiments designed to study the moon like never before. But that's not all. Another mission is already on its way. Athena, developed by Intuitive Machines. This lander aims for an even more precise touchdown near the moon's south pole, a region packed with scientific potential. 2 landers, 2 groundbreaking missions, and the race for the moon is heating up. The Blue Ghost mission began its journey back in January, launching aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. After a long voyage through space, the lander executed an autonomous descent, using advanced AI-powered vision technology to navigate and land safely on the moon. But landing was just the beginning. The Blue Ghost is now performing a series of groundbreaking experiments. One of them is a lunar dust vacuum, designed to test how we can clean equipment in space. Another experiment uses electrostatic forces to prevent dust from covering sensitive instruments, one of the biggest challenges for future moon bases. Meanwhile, Intuitive Machines is gearing up for its second lunar landing attempt. The Athena lander promises a more precise touchdown, using cutting-edge navigation technology. It will also deploy a mini rover and a hopper explorer capable of jumping into deep craters, reaching places no human or robot has ever been before. Why is all of this so important? Because these missions aren't just landings, they're laying the foundation for permanent lunar exploration. The technology being tested today will be crucial for future moon bases. Imagine astronauts using 4G communication on the moon, or mining for frozen water that could one day supply drinking water and even rocket fuel. And this is just the beginning. These robotic missions are directly tied to NASA's Artemis program, which aims to send astronauts back to the moon within this decade, for the first time since Apollo. Here's where things get interesting. Firefly Aerospace proudly claims to be the first commercial company to land successfully on the moon with Blue Ghost. But wait, Intuitive Machines says they did it first with their Odysseus lander, even though the landing had some technical difficulties. So, who really holds the title? Well, it depends on how you define successful landing. This rivalry is fueling a new space race, this time between private companies. And speaking of challenges, SpaceX also hit a roadblock. A crucial Starship test was aborted at the last second. This setback could delay the timeline for future Artemis missions, which rely on Starship to land astronauts on the moon. The competition is fierce, and the stakes have never been higher. The race to achieve the first successful commercial lunar landing is heating up, and it's a showdown between 2 innovative companies, Firefly Aerospace and Intuitive Machines. Both have their eyes set on the moon, but each mission has its own unique challenges and goals. Firefly Aerospace, with its Blue Ghost lander, is taking a bold step toward proving that private companies can play a crucial role in lunar exploration. Their mission aims to conduct 10 groundbreaking scientific experiments, including one that could change the way we think about dust on the moon. On the other side, Intuitive Machines is preparing for its mission, Athena, which promises an even more precise landing at the moon's south pole. The challenges they face are different, Athena's mission will push the limits of precision landing technology, deploying a mini rover and even a hopper to explore some of the moon's most elusive regions. But the competition isn't just about who lands first. Both companies are racing against time to prove their technology and reliability. Meanwhile, SpaceX has been dealing with its own set of issues, including a recent test failure of its Starship. These hiccups highlight the immense risks involved in lunar missions and raise questions about the reliability of private space ventures. As these two companies make their move, the stage is set for an exciting new chapter in space exploration, one that will test the boundaries of technology, innovation, and human ambition. If these missions succeed, they could mark a turning point in space exploration. Private companies could become the driving force behind lunar exploration, accelerating progress far beyond what we've seen in the past. Successful missions like these would demonstrate that it's possible to build a sustainable infrastructure on the moon, paving the way for future colonies. By reducing costs and streamlining technology, these companies could open the door for a new era of lunar exploration. And with advancements in 4G communication technology and the search for frozen water on the moon, we're on the brink of major discoveries that will not only shape our understanding of the moon, but also lay the groundwork for human missions to Mars. The collaboration between private companies and government agencies like NASA could be the key to achieving milestones we once thought were out of reach. The lessons learned from these early lunar landings will be essential as we look to expand humanity's footprint beyond Earth. As we witness these groundbreaking lunar missions unfold, we are reminded of just how far humanity has come in our quest to explore the cosmos. The technology, innovation, and determination driving these missions are shaping the future of space exploration. So, what do you think? Will we see humans walking on the moon again within this decade? The next few years could very well determine the next giant leap for mankind. If you're as excited about these discoveries as we are, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the latest updates on space exploration. The future is happening now, and you won't want to miss a moment of it.